Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best coffee machine for home. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best product, money can buy well the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Sonifer Electric Coffee Machine. Brand name, Sonifer. 850 watts. High quality water pump, 15 bar high pressure pump. Can make espresso and cappuccino. 1.6 liters detachable transparent water tank. With safety valve, can release pressure automatically. Die casting aluminum alloy boiler. Aluminum alloy filter holder attached with dual stainless filter to improve coffee quality. Can use for coffee pod or ground coffee. Can make coffee or steam conveniently. Safe and reliable, with overheating and overpressure protected device. Detachable frothing nozzle and drip tray for easy cleaning. Durable stainless cup mat for coffee cups preheating. Easy to make milk foam with a milk foam nozzle. Making fancy coffee at home, enjoy a good life. Number 4. Hibrew Espresso Coffee Machine. Brand name, Hibrew Premium Italian High Pressure Pump. Delivers up to 19 bar pressure to unlock the delicate flavor and premium aromas of each coffee capsule and create an incomparably dense and unctuous crema. Convenient operation, one touch button with 2 cup capacity options, short and long. Multiple colors available, black, purple, white. One press one time, so easy. Prepare a cup of espresso with 3-step, fill the water tank to max level, place a capsule or your own coffee, select the coffee volume to start. 600 milliliters removable water tank. Environmental friendly, shut off automatically. Number 3. Xiaomi Smart Coffee Machine. Brand name, Xiaomi. 9-level concentration capsule espresso preset compatible with 20 coffee capsules. Xinjiang capsule coffee machine. Simple, easy to use, fast extraction, 9 levels of concentration, preset compatibility, multi-brand capsules, 40 imported caffeine capsules free with the machine. Dirty latte, Oreo sea salt milk ice latte, chocolate mocha, coconut snow tops. Push and pull to enjoy the sweet moment, simple operation. Automatic extraction system. A moment of feeling. 19 bar electromagnetic pump fast. The machine is designed with 15-minute automatic shutdown function. Number 2. Itop Semiautomatic Coffee Maker. Brand name, Itop. Thermoblock and crema system. 15 bar Ulca pump, perfect for delicious espresso. Steaming bar, to jet steam hot water, good for foam making, and perfect for latte or cappuccino. 58mm professional coffee powder filter. Stainless permanent filter, durable, 1.7 liters detachable water tank, easy to add water. Stainless steel machine body, thermoblock system. Stainless steel punching head. Espresso cappuccino latte American coffee. Keep warm function. LED screen. Number 1. Devisib Espresso Coffee Machine. Brand name, Devisib. Devisib simply perfect. Build your own home coffee house with Devisib coffee machine. LCD screen button control. Freshly grind 5-size dial. 20 bar powerful extraction pressure. Devisib all-in-one automatic espresso coffee machine. Cappuccino kit, easy to clean, detachable water tank. Power, 1200 watt.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. And this video helpful to you, please remember leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this and future. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below.